Hey guys, how you doing? You know what? On this channel, we cover all aspects of Corvette. Thanks for joining us. Coming up later this week on my channel in a viewer mail segment, did somebody take a C7 Corvette and make it a mid-engine car? Oh my gosh, you guys got to check this out. And then somebody gave us another idea I want to share with you guys and give you some feedback. If you've got a hardtop convertible for the C8 Corvette, this is something I haven't thought about, and it might just work. That's later this week on this channel and our next viewer mail segment.
Trunk in the front.
Wow. Sorry, yeah. Kind of crunching around in the seat. Yes, I'm inside a C8 Corvette. Plastic still on the seat. Welcome back to my Corvette channel. My name is Rick Conti, and it's great to have you here. Hey, did you guys get a chance to see my Coffee with Conti show on Sunday? We covered a lot of little things, but all about Corvette. One thing I thought was very interesting, if you've got the base wheels on your C8 Corvette and you're thinking, well, I don't really like the wheels that Chevy's offering, so I'm going to go with the base wheels, but then you go like, well, what can I do with those base wheels? I mean, yeah, you can powder coat them a color, you can have them dipped in chrome, or you can watch the show, link in the description, and see what Steven in Arizona did to his base wheels. I called them, nubs. He called them knobs, those little tabs on the end of the wheel. He had those machined off, and the facing of the wheel he had machined, and then the inset he had painted a color. Gave the car a whole new look. Check that out. Video link again is down below in the description. And also what I shared with you guys, and that's exactly what I'm trying to capture and share on our channel, is the excitement, the passion for Corvette. Well, I shared this clip from the 1973 Price is Right show. And when they opened up the doors, a new car, it was a new Corvette, and how she reacted was priceless.
A new sports car. What did your husband tell you, Olivia?
He told me if I want a car, it will be mine. And if I win that, it's going to be mine.
And then I watched the rest of that clip from the show in 1973. She ended up making it to the showcase, and she won a new car. However, her reaction, well, it wasn't the same as it was for Corvette.
A new car. It's a Gremlin, the fun little car with AM radio, bucket seats, carpeting, side stripe, color-coordinated grille, white leather tires, slot-style wheels, luggage rack, energy-absorbing bumpers, and it's backed by the AMC Buyer Protection Plan. You're the winner, Olivia. And that is your car?
Mine.
Because your husband said if you want a car.
I got a car. It's mine.
It's yours.
Yeah.
Now, does he have one?
He has a Volkswagen.
And see, guys, that's what I'm talking about. The passion you have deep inside here. Sometimes you're not going to lose your breath like that lady did, but I think you get it, and I think you have it. I don't want you to lose it, especially if you're waiting forever to get one of these new cars. And when I say thanks for hanging in there, I truly mean thanks for hanging in there. It is just crazy, isn't it, guys? And it's a changing and an unsettled market right now. I mean, take us for an example. If you go back to 2020, the allocation that we earned, that we were supposed to get, also for 2021, combine those two. They don't even equal what we were supposed to get for 2020. The shooting in the dark, trying to help and answer hypotheticals, it's still tough right now. I don't think it's going to continue much longer, but it is what it is right now. So, thanks for hanging in there. I'm going to need my glasses here real quick, and then we're going to go see Chuck. If you watch my show on Sunday, you know that I have a gift for him. I can't wait to see his reaction. But if you've got a C8 Corvette right now, and it has the front lift system, I don't know how long ago it was, but a lot of people were freaking out on different forum boards and stuff like that. Hey, my front lift system is leaking fluid all over the place. In fact, somebody that I can call a friend, good past customer, John in South Carolina, when we finalized his order in January, he says, Rick, I'm real concerned about this front lift, and it hadn't yet been identified what it was. He goes, man, I don't want to get this and have a problem with it and have stuff all over my garage floor. He goes, I don't know. At the very last minute, he called me on that day when we finalized the order. He goes, you know what? Because I've moved, because I feel that I need the front lift. I'm going to deal with it. Order me the front lift. Lo and behold, It was simply a cap. There's a vent hole on the rubber side and the inside of the cap. I don't have one to show you guys, but there's a vent hole in the center. They've changed that. They've also changed some of the internal lips on that. And it happens when the front lift, where the car basically is at more of a pitch and a steep incline, the way that fluid is forced up into that cap area, that's how the stuff was leaking. It was just a new cap. Let me read this from Chevrolet because there is a bulletin on it, so don't run to your Chevy store to get a new cap. I mean, if you're not on the list, you probably don't have an issue. You may have the new cap and not know it already, but it's $62, $66, I think, to get the new cap. But here's the memo. If your VIN number, when they run it at your Chevy service department, if you're involved, it says it's estimated that there's only 149 vehicles involved that require the part to be replaced. And due to the small number of vehicles anticipated that will need this repair and the limited initial parts availability, dealers are encouraged not to order these parts for shelf stock. Telling dealers, don't hoard the parts, don't order a bunch in case everybody comes in and wants to get these things. If you need them, you'll be on this list when they run your VIN number. There's a possibility you still can get one if you think that you need it. You can look at your cap when you take it off the front lift reservoir, and in the center, there's a little pinhole. Okay, so if you've got that pinhole, that's a venting hole, then yeah, you probably want to get the new cap, especially if you're at a steep incline and you're using front lift and that fluid gets forced up in there. It's going to go all over the place. So that's the issue. Nothing major. All right, you guys, thanks for joining us on the vlog. I hope just that little feedback of that information, what's going on right now. I'll put the part number, by the way, to the cap, and I'll put the bulletin number up on the screen so you can reference that when you go into the Chevy dealership. So they don't go, I don't know what you're talking about, man. I can't find it. You should be able to find it. We found it very easily. That's why I wanted to share it with you right now as things continue to evolve and change and we learn how to maintain our brand new C8 Corvette. Let's go see our buddy Chuck real quick, all right? In case you've not been here before, this is our Corvette technician, Chuck Metz, and eventually we'll get back to a Tech Tuesday format that we're used to, but right now, just happy to share them on the channel, and I'm going to show you guys something too. We were talking about that cap for the front lift system. Also too, I want to show you in a moment something about the Strut Towers. I'm sure a lot of you guys are starting to see some videos pop up out there that there's water being just sitting in the Strut Towers. You're like, whoa, man, that's crazy. Didn't even think about that. Many of you would never even think about that. But first, come on over here, buddy. Got a little gift for you.
Oh, yeah?
You should have joined us for Sunday Coffee with Conti. It was a great show. I just needed you here at 3 o'clock in the morning when we were filming.
Yeah, okay.
This is from Darren and Missy.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, looky there.
Yeah.
And they're the ones that got the Zeus bronze?
No, they just know that's your favorite color.
Oh, it is my
But look at the
favorite
back.
color.
That's your new nickname now.
Well, thank you guys.
All right, let's show everybody that there. Chuck Tech Master Metz.
Well, I'll take it.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have Chuck take this off for us so you can see the Strut Towers. And you've already taken part of it off. You said you can just do this by hand. Get to this part. Now this car's only been here a short time. I don't think it's rained since it's been here. Is there any water down in? Oh, there sure is. Here, some water right just sitting in there, guys. Oh my gosh. And that is crazy. So what I got for you, this is not the right one for this car. This company out there sells these Strut Tower covers. I've ordered these. This little notch you see right there is if you've got the magnetic ride control that this car does not have. I'll put a link up on the screen so you can get an idea of who this company is. And I've got an extra set because one of my customers, Chuck in, not you, Chuck in Arizona, thank you so much. I appreciate that. And you're going to win a set right now in the vlog if you're the first one to comment and you saw our show on Sunday. What color did Chuck and Sandy get at their National Corvette Museum delivery of their hardtop convertible? First person that's a subscriber to the channel to mention, I'll send you out. And I think they are set with the magnetic ride control, so hopefully it works for you. A couple of little tech tips, owner operation, and just some advice to help you guys have a better experience enjoying your C8 Corvette. Hopefully you enjoy that today. Chuck's gonna put that back on. It just kind of snaps in there.
Got to go underneath this, though.
Yeah, okay. So if you guys want to check yours, so now that we brought it to your attention, it's like, I wonder if there's water in mine. I'll guarantee you there's water in yours. car came from Bowling Green. You got to remember too, you know, when they do the water test at the assembly plant, I mean, the thing is just doused with water, so
Yes.
now you know where it goes. In the Strut Tower. Eric, also thanks for the kind note you had of the ones that I ordered from you. If you want to send me a couple of more sets, I'll make sure that we give those away on the channel. I do appreciate that, sir. All right, buddy, it was good to see you again on the floor.
Hey, good to see you guys.
We're like this close from the season, like really busting
Oh,
open.
man. Yeah.
I know you're starting to see some vets come in here, but get ready, man.
Oh, buckle up, it's about to get bumpy.
Yeah, all right. I was waiting for another crazy Chuckism. We are. Guess what? In case you guys know them, list them in the comments down below. I'm making some t-shirts. We are making a special Chuckism, a limited edition Chuckism shirt, and all of his Chuckisms are gonna be listed on the back.
I'm not your mom.
This car, yeah, I'm not your mom is gonna be number one. This car missed a date with a car crusher. Oh yeah, absolutely, that's coming, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, thanks again for joining us, guys. It is great to see Chuck. I'm gonna try and get him back on the channel on a more regular basis. Thanks for asking. I get a lot of text and emails from time to time. Hey, when are you gonna bring Chuck back? When are you gonna do more Tech Tuesdays? It's all about time right now, man. It's so hard, but that's the kind of content that we do want to bring for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Here's something we haven't done in a couple of weeks. It's featured some great looking cars. More than just one. Your cars. Your beautiful rides. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and make those comments down below, man.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you Hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one.